Hey there, students. Okay, so we are continuing with the multiplications of exponents. We have power of a power and power of a product. For power of a power, we have our base a raised to the power of m to the power of n. For this rule, you keep the base and you multiply the exponent. So example 1, we have a squared raised to the power of 3. According to this law, we are going to keep our base a and we're going to multiply our exponents. So my base is a, my exponents are 2 times 3. My final answer is a to the power of 6. Okay, to break this down, a squared to the power of 3 really means a squared times a squared times a squared. We have 3 occurrences of a squared. Then a squared means a times a multiplied by a times a multiplied by a times a. So now if I count how many a's do I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, my answer is a power of 6. Which shows you that the power of a power, you keep the same base and you multiply the exponents. Like what we did, a power of 2 times 3 is 6. Also, if you remember the product of a power rule, we keep the base and we add all the exponents. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is also equals to a power of 6. Okay, so now for power of a product, when you have AB raised to the power of m, it means that you are going to distribute my power, my exponent m, to each letter inside my parenthesis. AB, my power is actually a power of 1, b power of 1. We want to raise it to the power of m. So m times 1 equals to a power of m. Then m times 1 for my b is also b power of m. So following this rule, we're going to work example 2. We have to distribute our exponent 2 to each a and b. A power of 2 times b power of 2. That should be my answer. Now to break this down, I'm going to use the product of powers to show you. Remember, when you multiply two exponents with the same base, you can simplify it by keeping the same base and adding those exponents. AB squared means AB multiplied by AB. A power of 1, B power of 1, A power of 1, B power of 1. My base is A, is B. For A, 1 plus 1, and my B is also 1 plus 1, which gives me A power of 2, b power of 2. Isn't it the same? Yes. Great job, students. Example 3. X power of 5 to a power of 2. So we have a power to a power. We're going to keep the base, x, and we are going to multiply the exponents. 5 times 2 is x power of 10. Example 4. We have 3a squared power of 3. We are going to distribute this exponent 3 to my a and also to my 3. 3 power of 3, a power of 2 times 3. 3 times 3 is 27. A 2 times 3 is 6. Example 5. So I'm going to distribute my 3 to my 3, my exponent 3 to my a, my exponent 3 to my b, which is 3 power of 3. A is a power of 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Then b, 2 times 3. 3 power of 3 is 27. A power of 3. B times 3 is 6. Is my final answer. For example 6, I use example 4 multiplied by example 5. So I have example 4 times example 5. So it looks very complicated, but it's actually easy. You need to simplify this one first and then this one after, and then multiply it. Which means you are going to need the product of powers rule. Okay. The good news is we already have the answer of this in example 4, and we have the answer of this in example 5. It's like your PEMDAS. You want to take care of the parentheses exponents first, and then the multiplication between later. So I'm rewriting the answer for this one, which was 27a power of 6 multiplied by 27a power of 3b power of 6. So this is my answer for this. This is my answer for this. We are multiplying them to each other. Okay, so I'm multiplying my coefficient. 27 times 27 is equals to 729 multiplied by a power of 6 plus 3, 9 times b power of 6. This is my final answer. Okay, example 7. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. We can simplify what's inside the parentheses and then raise it to the power of 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. My base is x power of 3 plus 1 raised to the power of 2. So I'm going to work the things inside my parentheses. So I have 4x power of 4 raised to the power of 2. Now I'm going to distribute my exponent of 2 to all of them. 4 power of 2 x power of 4 times 2 is equals to 16 times x. 4 times 2 is equals to 8. So my final answer is this one. The other way to do it is to basically to distribute the exponent of 2 to every single one of them, which could be a little bit longer. 2 power of 2 is 4 times 2 power of x power of 3 is x 3 times 2 times 2 power of 2 again is 4 times 2 times 1 for my x, 2. So my final answer is, I'm going to multiply those two coefficients, which is 16. So my base is x, and then I have 3 times 2, which is 6, multiplied by x power of 2, which is equals to 16x. 6 plus 2 equals to 16x power of 8, which is the same answer than this guy. All right, great job, students. I'm happy to help you in any ways possible, so feel free to drop me a student request in the comment below. If you like the video, please remember to share it with your friend and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. This will support my channel. Thank you again and have a fantastic day. Until next time.